This video is about taking control of your retirement savings. Given the recent turmoil of the Royal Commission, one thing should have become apparent to those saving for their retirement. And that is that nobody cares more about your superannuation than you do. The only really smart way to take control of your retirement savings is to run your own super fund, a self-managed super fund. Your fund can have up to 4 members, and ideally you'll need a combined balance of around $200,000. It's a lot more flexible than an industry or retail super fund, and you could potentially have access to a greater range of investments. Due to advances in technology, it's a lot cheaper to set up and run a self-managed super fund than you might think. In fact, it could be cheaper than the fund that you're already in. Now, if you'd like to find out more, you can drop me an email. It's john@e-advisory.com.au, or you can go straight to my calendar and book in some time for a call. The link to my calendar is below this video. Take control of your retirement savings today with a self-managed super fund. And now the general advice warning. All strategies and information provided in this video are general advice only, which does not take into consideration any of your personal circumstances. Please arrange an appointment to seek personal financial and taxation advice prior to acting on this information. E-Advisory Proprietary Limited and John Tutt are authorised representatives of Rimble Investment Services Proprietary Limited, AFSL 307248.